Hello students, welcome to my online class. I am your English teacher of LPM Public School that is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, so students, in this video we are going to explain exercises of chapter 2 and the name of chapter 2 is the sentence. Okay, so students, in the previous video I have explained what is sentence and what is phrase. Okay, so students, once again I am going to tell you what is sentence. A sentence is an arrangement of a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. Okay, for example, my name is Rohan, where do you live, what a lovely gift. Okay, these are the example of sentence. Now I am going to tell you what is phrase. A phrase is a small group of words that makes partial sense and can become a part of the sentence. These groups of words neither begin with a capital letter nor end in a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. For example, in a corner, under the tree, during the day, in a few days. These are the example of phrase. Okay, so students, I hope you understand what is sentence and what is phrase. Okay, so students, let's start exercises of chapter 2. Okay, so students, here is exercise A. Exercise A is rearrange these words, phrases to make meaningful sentences. Use the correct punctuation. Okay, so students, means to say that in this exercise you have to give in some words or phrases and you have to make meaningful sentences, and you also use correct punctuation mark. Okay, so students, here is number 1. Me with will help my younger sister the project. Okay, so students, with the help of these words you have to make meaningful sentences. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. So students, first of all you have to use subject plus helping verb plus verb plus object. Okay, so students, can you tell me which word is subject here? Here subject is my younger sister. Okay, so students, first of all you have to write my younger sister. After that you will write will help. Okay, after that you will write me with. At last you have to write the project. So you have to write sentence like this: my younger sister will help me with the project. Okay, so students, now number 2. Number 2 is us when a child see me visited, she was. Okay, so students, can you tell me which word is subject here? Here subject is see me visited. Okay, so here subject is only see me. So first of all you have to write see me visited us when she was a child. Okay, now next, number 3. Number 3 is mural a beautiful what. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this: what a beautiful mural. Okay, at last you have to use exclamation mark. Now next, number 4. Number 4 is the pen is the sword mightier than. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. The pen is mightier than the sword. So students, once again listen carefully. The pen is mightier than the sword. Okay, now next, number 5. Number 5 is some of got turned in transit the parcels. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. Some of the parcels got torn in transit. Okay, now next, number 6. Number 6 is there should this road dustbins along be more. Okay, so students, first of all you have to write there should. Okay, first of all you have to write there should, after that be more, after that dustbins along, and last this road. So students, you have to make sentence like this. There should be more dustbins along this road. Now next, number 7. Number 7 is the market we go to sell tomorrow. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. First of all, you have to write sell. So we write here shall, after that we go to, shall we go to the market tomorrow. At last we have to use here question mark. Okay, because this is a interrogative sentence. So we write like this, shall we go to the market tomorrow. Now next, number 8. Number 8 is the actor came, the audience on the stage cheered when. So students, you have to make sentence like this. The audience cheered when the actor came on the stage. Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. The audience cheered when the actor came on the stage. Now next, number 9. Number 9 is your wishes may all come true. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. May all your wishes come true. May all your wishes come true. Now next and last, number 10. Number 10 is as his mother Pintu is as industrious. Okay, so students, can you tell me which word is subject here? Your subject is Pintu. Okay, so students, first of all we write here Pintu. Pintu is as industrious as his mother. Okay, so students, now exercise B. Exercise B is the table with suitable subjects and verbs to complete these sentences. One has been done for you. Okay, so students, means to say that you have to complete this table with suitable subjects and verbs to make complete sentences. One has been done for you. Okay, so students, here is number 1, and number 1 is the sun. So students, can you tell me what is the sun here? The sun here is subject and shines verb, brightly object. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. The sun shines brightly. Now next, number 2. Number 2 is the children, and the children is subject. Play is verb in the garden. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. The children play in the garden. Now number 3. Number 3 is they. They is subject. Honored is verb for their bravery. Number 3 is they honored for their bravery. Okay, now next number 4. Number 4 is the servant. The servant is subject. The servant broke. What is broke here? Here broke is verb. The servant broke the flower pot. Number 4 is the servant broke the flower pot. Now next number 5. Number 5 is the lion. The lion is subject. Sat. Sat is verb. Okay. The lion sat under the mango tree. Now next number 6. Number 6 is he. He is subject here and was verb here. He was tired. Okay, now next number 7. Number 7 is the customer will. The customer is subject. Will pay verb. The bill. Okay, so number 7 is the customer will pay the bill. Now number 8. Number 8 is Meera. Meera is subject here. Knows is verb here. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. Meera knows 4 languages. Okay, Meera knows 4 languages. Now next number 9. Number 9 is she. What is she here? She is subject. Likes. What is likes here? Likes is verb. Okay, so students, we have to make sentence like this. She likes to play badminton. She likes to play badminton. Now next number 10. Number 10 is she. She is a subject and is here verb. Number 10 is she is reading poetry. Number 10 is she is reading poetry. Now next, that is number 11. Number 11 is sorry students, here only subject is I. Okay, so what is subject here? Only I. I is subject. Shall go is a verb. Okay, so students, we have to make sentence like this. I shall go for the party. Okay, so students, I is subject here and shall go is the verb here. Okay, for the party. Number 12, they is subject here. Will come is verb here. Okay, so students, we have to make sentence like this. Number 12, they will come at the break of day. Okay, so here is subject only. They will come is verb. Okay, they will come at the break of the day. Okay, so students, now exercise C. Exercise C is add suitable words to these groups of words to make complete sentences. Okay, so students, means to say that in this exercise you have to add suitable words to make groups of words to make complete sentences. Okay, so students, means to say that you have to add suitable words to make complete sentences. Okay, so students, here is number 1, and number 1 is I have been. Okay, so students, you have to make sentences with the help of these words. So here is number 1. I have been reading since morning. Okay, so students, number 1, you have to write like this. I have been reading since morning. Okay, now next number 2. Number 2 is Riddhi informed Siddhi about the examination. Okay, so students, this sentence like this. Riddhi informed Siddhi about the examinations. Now next number 3. Number 3 is The train leaves. The train leaves, and you have to write this sentence like this. The train leaves from station at 5 o'clock. The train leaves from station at 5 o'clock. Okay, now next number 4. Number 4 is Pragya's father jogs. Pragya's father jogs in the morning. Okay, now next number 5. Number 5 is that boy has stolen. That boy has stolen my pencil. Okay, now next number 6. Number 6 is at the bus stop. Okay, so students, you have to make sentence like this. At the bus stop, passengers were waiting for the bus. Number 6, once again listen carefully. At the bus stop, passengers were waiting for the bus. Now next number 7. Number 7 is I cannot see my book anywhere. Okay, number 7 is I cannot see my book anywhere. Now next number 8. Number 8 is the boys made a robot for science project. Okay, number 8 is the boys made a robot for science project. Okay, now next number 9. Number 9 is Sunny laughed at the funny cartoon in the circus. Okay, so students, number 9 is Sunny laughed at the funny cartoon in the circus. Now next number 10. Number 10 is I shall not go. Number 10 is I shall not go to the market. Number 10 is I shall not go to the market. Number 11. Bhushan knows how to solve this problem. Number 11 is Bhushan knows how to solve this problem. Number 12. Ishita accepted the challenge. Number 12. Ishita accepted the challenge. Okay, so students, I hope these exercises clear to you. Okay, now this is your homework and assignment. Okay, so students, you have to write exercise A, exercise B, exercise C in your HW copy. Okay, so students, now thank you.